At 25, happiness was a loud night with friends. At 50, it's a quiet morning with coffee and no plans. Strange, isn't it? How happiness changes, softens, deepens as we age. But why does it feel so different? And even better, let's explore the quiet shift that no one warns you about. In your younger years, happiness often came fast and loud. The thrill of a new job, the rush of falling in love, the excitement of ticking boxes off a life checklist. But somewhere after 50, something changes. The things that once thrilled you no longer matter the same way. And that's not a loss. That's wisdom. Let me tell you why. 1. Happiness becomes less about achievement, more about peace. In your 20s and 30s, happiness often depends on success. Getting the promotion, buying the house, winning the race. But after 50, you begin to realize peace is the new success. You don't need to prove anything. You've already survived so much. Now, joy is found in what you don't chase anymore. A quiet home, a dinner with family, a walk without your phone. 2. Relationships matter more than ever. You've lost people, maybe parents, maybe friends, and that loss shifts something in you. After 50, you stop wasting time on shallow conversations. You start craving real connection. A deep talk with an old friend becomes more valuable than 100 likes. You realize that happiness isn't stuff, it's people. 3. You care less about impressing others. Do you remember how much you used to care about what people thought of you? But now, after all you've been through, you wear what's comfortable. You say what's honest. You love without asking permission. Freedom from judgment becomes its own kind of happiness. You stop performing and start living. 4. Time feels more precious. The clock ticks louder after 50. You become deeply aware that not everything lasts forever. But instead of that being scary, it becomes beautiful. You savor the moment more. You pause. You notice the sky. You appreciate the small things like they're big, because now they are. 5. You redefine what enough means. Happiness used to mean more money, more success, more attention. Now, it's about enough. Enough health to enjoy your day. Enough love to feel supported. Enough time to do what matters. You trade ambition for contentment and realize this feels better. So why does happiness feel different after 50? Because you've changed. You've grown. You've seen how fragile life is and how beautiful simplicity can be. The world may call it settling down, but you know the truth. You're finally waking up to what matters most. Have you felt this shift in happiness? Share your experience in the comments below. Let's inspire others who are learning to embrace this new kind of joy. And if this video resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning to love life after 50. Because happiness isn't gone, it's just gotten wiser.